Alright guys, here I am in my little hydroponic system I'm building. This is just going to be a little video to show you guys how to drill out a hole like this with a hole saw and hopefully not kill yourself. Alright guys, let's get started. We'll start off with the pain, because there's such a big hole there, can't really use, the guide bit in the middle for this hole, because just wouldn't work. So what you gotta do is, I found setting it to max speed and reverse. See, max speed and reverse makes it really easiest way to do it. Still not very fun, but hopefully we can get this good and I won't die. All right guys, and always remember, wear your safety glasses. Hopefully this is quick. Oh, that's cold water. Sorry about that little bump, but yeah, that's it. Boom shakalaka. Got the hole, and next up is to put in the Uniseals seals. Alright guys. But yeah, that's just my little tutorial on how to punch a hole inside a hole if you drilled the wrong holes, or did like me and changed what you were going to put in the holes and needed bigger holes. Yeah, but yeah, that's how you drill a hole for a Uniseal or plastic, in plastic, and it doesn't even have to be for a Uniseal, just whatever. And then make sure you take like a razor and clean up this last little bit. There's these little wiry bits. But yeah, that's drilling a hole in the plastic of an IBC container. Alright guys, have fun. Welcome guys. Now that we drilled our holes bigger. Alright guys, we're going to clean up this here hole with our razor blade. Careful not to make it too much bigger, of course. Just trying to clean it up a little bit. Yeah guys, this was my first hole drilling. As you can see, there's trial and error, but hopefully we got it good enough. You guys can't really see what I'm doing over here, but I'm just cleaning off the other side. Let's see if I pin it down low enough. I just don't want to rip it or knock you over. Man, it is a rainy, turning into kind of a, it's not a bad Texas summer day, but it is on the warm side. Alright, now if I'm correct, the big side goes on the outside, the skinny side goes on the inside. Let me see if you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, no, you can't. Buns. That one is nice. Woo! Well guys, that's how you pop a Uniseal into an IBC tote. Alright guys, have fun. Alright guys, here I am with the belt sander, benchtop belt sander, and we're going to taper these edges so they're not as hard on the Uniseals when we put them in, and yeah, get them all cleaned up. I was trying to do it with the knife, but it's just taking forever. As you can hear, it's starting to rain again, so I don't have a whole lot of time to finish this. Alright guys, so be with you in just a second. Alright guys, so a lot of people suggest to get the inside of this wet with soapy water to put these through. We're going to try it without it. Let's get them wet with water. Alright, let's see if muddy water will work as good as soapy water. Highly doubt it, but we're going to try it. Gosh, man, that is pretty dang hard. I think the advantage I have here is, whew, once I get it started all the way around, technically I could use the water pressure to finish it. Almost wish I had like a clamp strong enough to pinch it on both sides. I mean, not necessarily strong enough, but big enough. Ugh. Me hope. What this way? The weird time, I have no idea what it is. It's kind of scaring me. If anyone's wondering, there was a sound of something walking past. It was a horse. Alright. I think that's good. I don't want more on the pipe on this other side though. We'll call that good for now. Whew, didn't need soapy water. Happy day, bros and ladies and friends, all you humans out there. Alright, here's me standing in muddy water. See you in a bit, guys. Alright, guys, I got it done. Got it in there, going to there, and over there. So they're all connected and the seals seem to be good. It's gonna add some water. But boy howdy, this one was a lot easier than that one. Part of it is because, see, this one's kind of going at an angle. And that one, when I drilled it in the bottom corner of the bucket. Don't do that. Flat surfaces, my friends. Flat surfaces will save you pain. Alright, guys. See you in a bit. Guys, here we are. Filling it up. My super nasty rotten hose. My better hose made it to the corner of that gate. And I had to use this rotten one to finish it off. It's really annoying. But hopefully it'll be good enough to get enough water in here so I don't have to go buy another hose. Because I am feeling lazy today. But yeah. We're going to fill this baby up. And then I got to finish covering all of them pipes. And I'm going to put a roof over this. And call it good. Alrighty, guys. Thanks. See you next time. Have a fun time. Handshake.